Happy Sunday to everybody. Hopefully you had a great week this week, and I know I probably did. I'm recording this on Friday of the last week. I record all my videos like a week early, so don't know how the week went so far, but hopefully it did go well. But overall, today we're checking out the MC RedBlock network, or yes, RedBlock network. Thank you to inviting me over to the server, and once again, this will be probably the final video with this new microphone setup, and hopefully next week you will all give me feedback on where I should move it. So if you have any feedback on my microphone setup for this week, please make sure to let me know by telling me if I need to make my voice louder, softer, move it, or if it's still good where it is currently. So please let me know down in the comments below, and if you want a server review, contact me on Discord. Alright, let's get straight into it. So, Minecraft Saturday and MC RedBlock. I don't know why and up there is different colors, but anyway, we are joining forces. This will help save resources and allow us to make a bigger thing. So this is a teleport, so you have like a terminate, Minecraft Saturday game mode. I fell through the floor, and I died. No custom death messages I see. It should teleport you directly back up here. Server mode, waiting. So your holograms don't seem to be in the correct location either. Don't know why there's a sign there. So I would recommend, I'm guessing this is like your take on Minecraft Mondays when it existed. So I'd look into maybe making this a, I'm the owner, I'm a template. Okay, so I don't exactly know what in the world is happening here with this spawn, but all of this stuff. Terminate mode. So it seems like, I don't know, maybe these people have played on the server before, don't exactly know. I haven't seen videos on the server by them, but you have zeroth place, that doesn't exist, 14th, 1st, 2nd. Okay, so it seems like this is a Minecraft Monday type copy on this side of the server, and I'm guessing this is a separate server from your main server, so I would just make sure, it seems like that is Minecraft Saturday's network rather than yours, so maybe make sure that isn't open unless it's Saturday. It's currently not Saturday, so maybe make it so it's not open unless it's Saturday. Alright, why don't we get straight into your game. You got Kit PvP, Death Run, 1 in the Quiver, so it's minigame type network things. I would just get rid of these or not have these at all and rather have 3 in the middle, so 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, none there, none there, none there. If you're a YouTuber, do /YT in the hub. I did /YT. /YT does not do anything. Unless I'm not in the hub. I'm already in the hub. Okay, so maybe look into your /YT command. Maybe you made it /YouTuber. YouTube. Nope. No command with /YT involved. So I would look into maybe fixing that. Another thing I noticed is on your NPCs, you have this little dot line, the little blank line there. I don't know if there's a way to get rid of those for NPCs, and I've been saying this in my last few videos, and what I would suggest doing is, rather than having the hologram above it, Kit PvP, PvP should be capitalized, rather than having the hologram above it, you could have the hologram, like, name as the NPC name, multi-line, and I don't know what plugin you use. I'm guessing you use Citizens. No, you may use Citizens. I don't know if you use Citizens or not. It seems like you block your plugins, you do. But what I would do is I would use it as a title, and I know a plugin called NPC Lib, which requires you to code it yourself, but if you have coders on your network, it may be good to have. You can have multi-line NPCs with their names rather than having them just sit here and absolutely have the blank name tag and stuff. And you can have the name so you don't have the blank name tag and everything. I would just look into doing that. Cosmetics do not open, and I just placed a crate and it seems to have disappeared. So I'd look into your cosmetics, and let's check out your game. So you got Kit PvP, Death Run, 1 in the Quiver, Minecraft Saturdays, work in progress. So I would make this more interactive GUI here, so it has like a background and stuff. I just say that on all servers. Make sure it has like a glass background and stuff. It looks a lot better. We'll go to Kit PvP first and check it out. So you have your default join message on Kit PvP. And it says, since you logged out, you lost all your kill points. I have never logged into the server before, so I'd recommend looking into that. Thing I've mentioned on all of the other server reviews I've done this week, your scoreboard is absolutely huge compared to what it needs to be. You could just cut down your scoreboard significantly by getting rid of those dashes, and it would be so much smaller, especially for PvP servers. You don't want it that big. You have events, that's pretty cool. Normal achievements, right click, I'm right clicking, nothing's popping up, so maybe check into that, and I'm guessing this just teleports me out. Yes, it does. It probably should bounce me further than that, because it only bounced me right here. I'm thinking it should bounce me like all the way over there, or above here, somewhere. So just make sure those bounce a significant distance rather than right next to spawn, otherwise you can spawn camp. Alright, /hub. I'm going to go back to hub now and go check out your other game modes. Considering there's no one online and most of these do require people online, I'm not going to be able to do that. Select one in the quiver game, or this is a death run number 1. Okay, so I'm waiting for players. So once again, I cannot actually play without, without another player online. And I do like your big coin pickup here. The big coin has already been picked up because I walked through it. I don't think you need to send the message twice in chat when you already picked it up, but very cool, unique feature there. Keep up the good work with that. I really like death run servers. They're really cool. Problem is, you can't play alone. So I would add a single player option where the NPCs or somebody are controlling death run rather than just other players. And then we're going to go ahead and check out your final thing, which is one in the quiver here, and let's just check out your game. So I like your menu there, and how that works, and how it teleports you and stuff. Ooh, very cool, nice. This is more like what I was saying at hub. You should do things like this. You should have all of this cool NPC stuff. That's really cool, so keep up the good work with that. I want to be fighter kit. Walk below to select. Okay, so maybe make it so you can left and right click it as well. I think that would work out well. Right click for win effects. So you got podium, circle, transform. I guess I get the podium. Walk for the default kit, and no power-ups locked coming soon. So you'll have power-ups soon. That's pretty cool. And of course I'm waiting for players, so I won't be able to actually show off the oh, your tab list. Okay, here we go. So it seems like your tab prefix and player suffixes do not work. And same thing with your scoreboard. Make the scoreboard smaller. It does not need to be that big. Remove some of the dashes. It would become significantly smaller. You don't need it that big. Don't think it's necessary. It seems like you do custom code a bunch of the stuff here, which is terrific. So just keep up the good work with that. That's really good. Of course, I can still do /tab and see all of your plugins and stuff, but just make sure if you want to disable that, you do that in the spigot.yml or somewhere. But overall, it seems like you have this really well set up. Same with spawn. I can still do that in spawn as well. But overall, very nice server. Keep up the good work. It seems like you have a very unique feel. You just need more players online, so keep up with the good work with players online. Get the scoreboard stuff fixed like I mentioned, and I think you'll be good to go and get a lot of players on. So just keep up the advertising, whatever you're doing, and very nice server. Alright everyone, have a great weekend. Next week we'll return to our normal upload schedule of 5 PD as well, and if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Noodles. I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh,